Oh,
presentation.
Tutong.
May tutong.
Need to eat protein.
Ganun ba yun, te?
Yes, that's what my daughter said.
Kailangan
Nurse,
protein.
I've listened to my daughter.
Of course,
She's a
I
nurse.
want to listen. But, te, ayoko nga tingong meat. Pwede bang merong
Protein na
alternative?
tofu.
Tofu is high
Pwede na
protein.
sa'yo yan.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, wait.
Ang sarap-sarap. Umuusok-usok po ang pagkain ni Ate Maria.
Nakapag-bathroom na dito.
Ang oh my God mo, curious ako eh.
Oh my God.
Okay, last walk sa favorite na Canada Palace. Last walk.
Document talaga nito yung kanya.
Bye, Big Easy. Yan, last walk na ng London travel. Last one in London. Jomala. Yung mga oh my God mo, curious ako eh.
The best.
OMG.
Masarap siya. Masarap yung mango. Bakit may naralasan na akong coconut?
Because that is coconut.
Bakit matigas siya?
Makapag-bathroom na dito.
Kulo pa.
One more, please.
Ate, ano sabi mo? Put your phone away. Ayun ba yung sabi mo, te?
It's chicken breast, right?
I think the lid.
Ang laki naman ng kutsara nila. Parang mata ko na.
Yan ang breast.
Itong breast. Hindi
Yeah,
ako
this is
kumakain ng breast.
thigh.
Kumukulo-kulo. Lagay daw to, i-mix everything. Bakit malamig?
Want me to mix it for you
That
while you're
is
videoing?
very spicy, ma.
Ay, very good. It's very spicy.
Give me the thing para akong maghalo. Tapos habang binibidyo mo.
Kailangan may katulong ako. Maghalo-halo.
Yung kailangan spoon. Tutong.
May tutong. Oh, presentation.
Gaya ng, hihingi ng
Asa?